Take your tissue roll and first measure to see how long it is. After measuring the tissue roll, divide it into 5 equal sections. Then create different colored hearts, but with the same size. I created 6 different colored hearts, and since I was doing a rainbow pattern, I made 7 of each color. Each of these 5 sections with a string or a ribbon. Take your string or ribbon and place the hearts where you want it to be. Since we split the tissue roll into 5 equal sections, you will also need to cut 5 pieces of string. In each string, I'm putting 7 hearts. At the back of the hearts, I secured it with some tape. You will need to do this step again. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you liked it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you know every time I post. Bye!